Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to send a purchase order directly to the InvoiceNow network using ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect. First, click Enter Purchases. At the top of the window, switch the transaction type to the Order tab. Select your intended supplier from the drop-down menu and enter all necessary purchase order details. Once the details are complete, click the Record button. A prompt will appear asking if you would like to send this purchase order to the InvoiceNow network. Click Yes. Another message box will appear. Click Send to initiate the process. Please allow a few moments for the system to process the request. Once the process is complete, a success message will be displayed, confirming that your purchase order has been successfully sent to the InvoiceNow network. You are now ready to streamline your purchasing process with InvoiceNow. Thank you for watching.